welcome back to my studio. Hope you're ready to have some fun. I want to play with some coasters. I want to do a little blooming. I want to try out some new eye candy pigment colors. So let's get down and see what I have for us today. Okay, we are working with my eye candy pigments on some little, I think these are 4-inch round coasters. So let's go through the colors. Got some new ones. So this one is a color shift. It is, what is this? Harajuku Girl. It is a blue, violet, orange, red color shift. It is really pretty. It has some shimmer in there. Oh, and when I catch the light just right, I can see all those different colors shining out. So that's going to be pretty. Another new one is Adzuki-Iro Red. And this is dark, people. This is a dark purpley looking red at the moment. I don't know how it's going to dry. I've never used it before, but we will see. Then I have my Chrysta Gold. I love this. This is a gorgeous bright gold. Really liking that. Then I've of course got my Firebird Red, just to add a little brightness, a little Saturn Yellow, and some 14K Nugget Gold for some sparkle. I have sort of an odd palette. I've got some really dark colors and I've got some really bright colors. We'll see if this works. If it doesn't, well, you know, we can always pick a different color from the bin over there. We're going to start with my Tricorn Black from Sherwin Colors to Go. I'm not sure I have enough to do all 4 coasters, so I do have my agreeable gray here just in case we need to switch around. So for the first one, we're definitely going to use the black. I'm going to move you just a bit. Too much of everything. That's okay. We'll fix that. I said a little much white, but I think we'll be okay. All right. Pick that one up for you. Oh, there's some sparkle and shine in that one though. Alright, I'm going to set that to the side. I'm going to clean up a bit. We'll go for number 2. Okay, we're going for number 2. Less paint, people. Less paint. So I lost so much paint. On the last one. And none of my colors are green, and I'm seeing nothing but green. So that's that color shift going wacky on me. Okay, I put a lot less paint. Oh my god, it's all like green. That is so cool. There's no green in this. That has got to be that color shift. Is green one of the colors? No. Blue, violet, orange, red. There's no... That must be the Saturn yellow reacting with something. Went green. That is so crazy. Oh, I am really loving this one. Oh, so much sparkle. Look at the coloring on this one. What? All right, we'll put that one over there. That one's definitely a keeper. Okay, big improvement. All right, let me clean up. Okay, we're on to number 3. I might just have enough black if I don't have to redo that one. If I put less paint on. That first one definitely had too much paint. And again, I'm getting green. It's amazing what happens sometimes when you put two colors together and you get a completely unexpected thing happening. Like green in every single one of these. It's the neon yellow playing with something causing green. Look at that one. Less sparkle. Ooh. Alright, let me clean up. Alright, it's our final one, number 4. I'm loving this crazy green I'm getting from this combo. It's a gorgeous green. It's always wacky when you get some color that's not really in your color palette, but it got created by your color palette. And I'm sure the Saturn yellow is to blame for it. I'm not sure what's reacting with the Saturn yellow, but I'm happy about it. Not complaining. Okay, I am not at all unhappy with this color combo, people. I'm not getting something I totally did not expect, but I'm not unhappy. That is gorgeous. Oh, yes, look at that. Look at the sparkle and the shimmer. Ooh, I don't know if you can see it from that, but wow. All right, let me clean this up and I'll show you all four. Okay guys, we have wet results. So here's the first one. Here's that second one. Look at that one. That I think is my favorite. Oh, let me go to our third one. And our last one. I love all of them. I'm even that first one's growing on me. But I mean, the crazy green in all of them. From that Saturn yellow reacting with, I can't figure out which one. I'm thinking it's the red, but I don't know for sure. All right, we're gonna let these guys dry. Hang in there for dry results. Okay, we have dry results. Very happy with the end results on these. Look at how beautiful these are. That green got darker as it dried. Like I said, there was no green. That's the neon yellow reacting with something else. But awesome. Love the way these turned out. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell. I really appreciate you subscribing. It costs you nothing and it really helps my channel out. Thank you so much for being here. Now this is part of our Friday with Friends, so please check the playlist in the description box and the list of the individual artists. After me is Joanne from Joanne Ralstin Art, followed by Janet with Acrylic Creations by Jay Whitty, and then Betty from Oak by Bettina. If one of them is not going to be in tonight, it'll be noted in the description box. So please have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Bye.